In this video, you'll learn how to connect Major to your OKX wallet. This process involves using the Telegram app to initiate the connection and complete the setup efficiently. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. If you do not have it installed, you will need to download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, you will see the main chat interface. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for Major. Type in the name and wait for the results to populate. You should see the Major bot or channel appear in the search results. After that, click on the Major result to open the chat. This will take you to the Major interface where you can interact with the bot, or in the Major chat, look for the option labeled Rent. Click on this option to proceed. This action will take you to the section where you can manage your rental or connection settings. Once you are on the Rent page, find the button that says Connect Wallet. Clicking this will prompt the app to display available wallet options that you can connect to. Now you will see a list of wallets that are compatible with Major. Look for OKX Wallet in this list. Once you find it, click on the OKX Wallet option to initiate the connection process. After selecting OKX Wallet, the app may take a moment to process your request. You should see a confirmation message or loading indicator while the connection is established. Ensure that you allow any permissions if prompted during this process. Once the connection is successful, you will be redirected back to the Major interface, and you should see a confirmation that your OKX wallet is now connected. Remember to check that your wallet has sufficient funds and is configured correctly for any transactions you plan to make. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.